Hi guys, CAT questions are shamelessly copied from the last few years. Yes, I can prove that point. I'll give you a few samples as well to prove my point. See, which makes sense as well. Yeah, suppose this year I'm Indore is going to make the paper. I'm Indore wale ko, how will he come to know which kind of paper to make? How many questions of geometry, how many questions of numbers? All of you agree on that? कि arithmetic is average 10 questions, then 2 questions of logs, 2 questions of this, 2 questions of that. Now, what is the syllabus? If I'm setting the paper for the first time, how can I set the paper? I have to look at the last year papers. Yes, this is not happening in the CAT exam. This is happening in every exam. The type of questions are picked up topic wise same. So what I have to do, if I want to set up a paper, what I'll do, I will look at the last 10-year papers, look at the last 5-year paper, look at the last 3-year papers, and make the paper based on that. So intentionally or unintentionally, you are trying to make the paper very similar to the last year. This is happening in every exam. 10th, 12th, engineering, all 4 years exam. I bought moti books, yeah, but I studied from the last year paper. In Nagpur, it used to be called G4 at my time. In Mumbai, it's called Easy Solution. So there's a name for the, and every engineer have passed during that. I'm from NIT Nagpur, which is among the top colleges, but I still study from that. NIT means VNIT Nagpur. Yeah. So coming to the point, yes, CAT questions are copied. So let me give the proof for that. To prove my point, I'm going to example of quant, dare logic and verbal, each of them. So these are our advanced Lavender books, which is nothing but all the CAT ka actual papers and everything is combined into this. Let's start with the example of quant. Quant mein I'm picking up the function graph. I'm not taking up easy topic. Percentage, profit mill, there are a lot of questions which are repeated. I'm directly moving on to the function ka question. Let's look at this question. MX MD, maximum minima ka question. This have come in 1994, way beyond the level. Again, same question, maximum minima repeated in 1995. Yeah, see, all these papers are available on Google. आप एक बार Google करो, you'll find all these papers. Again, 2012, same question come. Now, instead of using the word maxima, mx, ma, la, pa, they are using the word xy. Yeah, I call them the question ma, ga, pa. Mn, ma का मतलब ये, pa का मतलब ये. So they're the typical question which I call them. ठीक है, 1996, sorry. Then again 1997, same question is coming. Yeah, li, la, po. Okay, then it not coming after that. Then directly it came la maximum minima again to 2000. It came back in the year 2000. Again, this is a very common question. When the positive आएगा तो ये लो, negative आएगा तो ये करो. ठीक है, take this value, take that value. Again, a very common question. This same dollar sign, hash sign. See, I'm not saying कि ये करके तुम टॉप कर जाओगे. What if ये आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? ठीक है. Now the first argument which student have is what if this question not coming in this exam. See, वो पहले भी नहीं आता था. 2004 में आया, then 2000 में आया, then 1997, 1996, 1994. So every 3-4 year this is coming. उसके बाद भी आता गया. ये नहीं कि अभी आना बंद हो गया. It's still coming in the exams. So all I'm trying to say is why to ignore these questions. Obviously, if I only do this question, I can't pass the exam. Yes, but ये भी तो करो ना यार. I'm not saying do only this much. I'm saying add this much to your routine. So this is what I'm doing at CET King. Starting from next week, August onward, we are going to pick up all these questions, which are coming, which are the highly repeated questions in the CAT paper. Same, I'll give you the example of algebra. This cyclic is my favorite question. Can you see that 1 by PQ, PRS? Now this is सबसे घटिया topic for most of students. Yeah, I can't solve this question, sir. तो यार एक बार 2002, then 2003 again, X, Y, Y, Z, Z, X second time. 2004 again, A, B, B, C, C, A, cyclicity. We have to use the concept of cyclicity to solve this question. Again 2011, PQ, PRS, PY. 2012. So these questions are repeated every now and then. तो इनको छोड़ना क्यों यार, ये भी तो करो. Fine. This is only the quant का घटिया example. I'm not giving you profit and loss, which is very simple, which are more commonly to repeat. Yeah. Let's look at the DI logic part. I want to pick up games and tournament, not games, tournament. ठीक है. 2004, the first time tournament का question came, Germany. Yeah, Germany, Argentina played this thing, this, that. Yeah, tournament are only two type, Robin rounds and knockout. I just need to remember two type of games, Robin round and knockout games. तो one set, yeah, in 2004. After that this is not coming. Then again it came back in 2005. Yeah, again this is not coming anywhere, not coming anywhere, not coming anywhere. Logic based DI, fill in the blanks, typical sets. Open up CAT 2017 का पेपर, you'll find the same set. 2007 में आया, 2017 में आया, repeated, copy paste. Yeah, again this is coming here. Now this is a combination of stage 1 and stage 2, Robin round and uska mix. Another example, yeah, 8 players in 2012. Another example 2013. Another example 2015. हर 2014-15 हर एक दो साल छोड़ के ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट होते हैं. 8 players, yeah, you can see a team of 8 player. I can show you a question with team of 16 player. टेनिस का मैच 16 प्लेयर, ये रहा 32 प्लेयर्स. ठीक है, ऑब्वियसली दिस इज़ नॉट सेम यार. अरे ये तो 16 प्लेयर है, ये है, दिस इज 32 प्लेयर, दिस इज 8 प्लेयर. हाउ कैन यू से दे आर सेम? गाइस द कंसेप्ट रिमेन सेम ना. तो कंसेप्ट तो पढ़, कॉपी पेस्ट तो ना आने वाला है. या आई कैन गिव यू मेनी एग्जाम्पल. वर्बल में व्हाट वी हैव डन, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम स्टिल डूइंग, इट्स नॉट एट कंप्लीट. आई एम डिवाइडिंग वर्बल इनटू चैप्टर वाइज. ऑल द सोशल बेस्ड आरसीज अलग कर दो, ऑल द साइंस बेस्ड आरसी अलग कर दिया, ऑल द ह्यूमैनिटी आरसी अलग, ऑल द बिजनेस बेस्ड आरसी अलग. All the different type of RCs I'm going to combine into one place. At least do these question na. Yeah, I cannot complete the full syllabus. Yeah, those who are targeting 99.99, yes, you cannot get 90.9, can't top, we can't get rank 1, but I can at least clear the cutoff. Yeah, this is what I was doing in my engineering days. That as an engineer, there were students in my batch who were like topper. उनको करने दो ना भाई, मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ टॉप, मैं क्या करूँ, मुझे पास होना है. I want that fucking 90% in the exam. My target is to get 90 plus. That's it. 90% is 100 marks out of 300. So if I can do these questions as well, can I clear the cutoff? If not cutoff, can I get 5 questions right या 3 questions right? कुछ तो मिलेगा, फायदा होगा. This is not we are doing for the first time, guys. We are doing this all our life. To do this question form, either you can join us for the program. Every week we are doing 3 advanced lectures: quant, verbal DI, logic, and quant, verbal, DI, logic, all the 3 areas. Every week from today till CAT exam, we are going to cover up all these commonly repeated questions. Or second way is, in case you don't want to join us, then you make your own notes. Start writing down the questions which are repeated in the mocks, repeated in the books, repeated in the last year papers. Make a note of that, and trust me, that's the best way to study. और ये पहली बार नहीं, हमने सारी उम्र किया यार. ठीक है, again I'm saying the same thing. You cannot crack the cutoff only by doing this. You cannot become a topper only by doing all these things. हमें basic भी करना पड़ेगा. We need to do everything else. But why to ignore these topics? Yeah, add this thing as a supplement into your normal studies. Okay, all the best.